Just a quick product review here. We had a snapped off screw on a bearing retainer. Drilled the head out, removed the bearing retainer, tried a few different methods and was unsuccessful. I picked up a pack of these Grab It Micro. Pretty much like an easy out set. It's a nice little kit. You get 4 different bits. One end to drill, the other end to extract. Here's the retainer. With a little bit of heat. As you can see, it had Loctite on it. It popped right out. Again, using the air drill. Did try an electric drill, but could not get a good grip around the bit itself. The air drill with a good chuck seemed to tighten it just right. Highly recommend this little kit. And best part is it's made in the USA. Thanks again.